Wow. Boys are playing all together very wellly and they are enjoying a lot. They know how to jump and how to back jumping.
Nice!
Nice! Wow! Some are jumping and Kalabonda also jumping here. Wow!
Jumping!
Boys are playing very well. They are having very interested at this river and
Dolphin now! Kumra now!
big jump! They know how to jump and how to swimming. Wow!
Swimming pool, we make it high.
Boys are playing very well. Wow! And little kids also swimming like a small fish. Wow! He is hiding under the water. Wow! Wow! Diving underground water. Small kids. Wow! He is swimming very nicely and Mendago also swimming. They all are diving in the water and Kala is something like Kalia.
Dolphin!
Wow, boys are playing at this small river.
Dolphin
They
now!
are having fun a lot. Wow. There are 5 boys are all together playing. Some people are jumping and some are back jumping. Wow. They are very brave boys. Wow.
Big jump!
Wow, what a best jump. Laga, here we go. Jumping happen. This river is, sorry, this is not a river, this is a small river. Wow, he is know how to back jump. Again and again he is jumping like a great man. What a boy. Wow. He is know how to jumping and again he is back jumping at this river and the weather is very pleasant and quiet at this moment and this small river is coming from the Borko river. Wow, another boy is also jumping like a biggest piece. Wow, Koila man. Ladder. Wow. At this moment they are really having very fun and this small river is very nice for enjoying for kids and they are loving to enjoying at this small river and the water is very clear and crystal and they are enjoying all together at this small river. Wow, like a back jump and he know how to back jumping. Wow, Sautal also jumping like Kumbra, pumpkin, they all are jumping at this river. Wow, small kids also playing and he is diving. Wow, like fish, he is diving under the water. Wow, what a boys, man. They all are unique, they all are have different types of habits and habitats. Wow, thank you guys.